Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by importing your video into Premiere Pro and creating a sequence. Make sure the sequence matches your source frame rate and resolution. Verify the audio track contains clear dialogue without heavy background music. Trim any noisy sections and normalize gain to about -6 dB before transcription. Rename the clip with a concise title so you can track it easily. Save the project and enable autosave to avoid losing progress. Confirm your Adobe account and internet connection are active for cloud-powered speech processing. Open the text panel and select speech to text from the top menu. Choose Transcribe sequence to analyze the selected sequence automatically. Pick the audio track you prepared and set the source language, for example, English. Opt for cloud transcription to improve accuracy if available in your plan. When transcription finishes, choose Create Captions and select your desired format like SRT or Open Captions. Adjust punctuation and speaker labels manually to improve clarity. Set maximum line length to 42 characters for readable on-screen captions. Switch to the Captions workspace to review and edit each caption segment carefully. Correct timing by nudging caption blocks on the timeline for perfect synchronization. Use the text panel to fix transcription errors and add speaker names when necessary. Choose Export options. Export as SRT file or burn captions into video as open captions. For burned captions, verify font size and placement inside the 16:9 safe title area. Finally, export your sequence using Media Encoder and include caption files or burned-in captions as required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.